Can you hear me?
Yes, 1 second, 1 second. Yes.
Okay.
Did you receive the homework?
Yes.
Also, the second last sum, I did it again. I realized my mistake. I've just not sent a photo because I thought why to send just one photo. So.
Okay, we'll finish practice set 1.5. We'll finish this first. I think more 3 sums were remaining.
Yes. Yes. What happened?
Yeah. Give me a moment.
I have done the problem set 1 homework. So is it okay if I continue after that? The next sums.
For homework,
4,
you're
10.
asking?
No. I have done the homework, right? So between the practice at 1.5, the problem set comes. So the 1.5, I'll do it after the problem set, right?
Okay, yeah, it's okay. You can do that. But we'll first finish the remaining sums of this exercise, 1.5, and then we'll move to the problem set. Okay, so question 3 says, the sum of father's age and twice the age of... Did you try this sum for homework?
Yes, I tried it. I got 19 and 38.
Right. Have you said, is it in that PDF?
Yes, it's the first photo.
No, in the PDF, the first is problem set 1.
I didn't send you this.
No.
This?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm getting it as 19 and 38.
19 and 38. So father's age is 38.
X, yes.
Okay, father's
No.
age
X
38
is
and son's age you got 19. Like this, correct?
Yes.
You took X to be father's age and Y to be son's age.
1 second. Yeah, father to be X and son to be Y.
Okay, wait, let me just check it. Did you check the answer behind? Is it matching?
No, I did not do that. I did, but it's not coming together. It's not the right one, but I don't
Oh,
even know how to do it.
okay. Okay, we'll discuss it. We'll do it. We'll solve it.
Yes, I have done it till according to the first condition, x plus 2y equals to 70. According to the second condition, 2x plus y equals to 95. Yeah,
Okay,
I've done all
present.
that, like the present.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
I've done
okay.
that. I've done
We'll still go through it. So present age of father is X and son's age is Y. Okay, so father is X, son is Y. And according to the first condition, so what is the first condition? The first condition here says sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. So what was this equation? What did you get? Can you tell me? Sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. So what is your equation? Yes, can you tell me?
So yes, so that is x plus 2y equals to 70.
Okay, correct. So this is your first equation. Okay, now according to the second condition says if we double
2x
the
plus
age
y
of
equals to
father,
95.
okay, 2x plus y is equal to 95. Correct. So your first two equations are correct. If your equations are correct, how you can get your final answers wrong? So after this, what did you
Did I
do?
tell you what I did?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. So by simultaneous equations, multiplying equation 2 with 2.
equation 2 with 2. Okay. So you
So
get
then I get 4x plus 2y equals to 190.
190. Okay, correct.
Then I got that, and I got so I got 4x plus 2y equals to 190, and the first equation was x plus 2y equals to 95. So if I have to cancel 2y and 2y, so I have to do subtraction. So subtracting equation 2 and 3.
So x plus 2y equal to 70 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 190. So you change the sign throughout, correct?
One second. X plus 2y equals to 95.
No, this is the first equation. This is the second equation. And to this equation, you multiply 2 throughout to get this.
Oh, I did 95 over there.
Here
So
you
I
wrote
did
95.
190 minus, I did 190 minus
Okay,
95.
okay. That's why it went wrong here. But this
Okay. I'll
is,
just circle that and I'll do it again now.
yes.
Like I'll do it again for home. I'll just
Okay,
write over there.
okay.
Yeah, next.
So this you will complete it. Can we move on to?
Yes, I'll complete
Okay.
it. Yes.
Okay. Fourth one will do that. Fourth one says the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. You have to find out the fraction. Okay, so if you know a fraction will have a numerator and a denominator, correct? Then they have said first condition says denominator of the fraction is more than 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both.
2x upon 4.
Yes, first we'll define what is x and y. Okay, so let the numerator of the fraction be x and let the denominator be y. Okay, so numerator is x, denominator is y. Now, as per the first condition, so your fraction will be x upon y. Okay, numerator upon denominator. Now, according to the first condition says denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. How will this equation be? Can you tell?
I'm lost. I don't know how the equation.
Numerator is x, denominator is y. Now read this statement.
So is it 2x upon 4y?
Denominator of a fraction, so that means y, is 4 more. Now more means what sign?
Plus.
Plus. So 4 more than twice its numerator. Did you understand this?
So then how is it in fraction?
No, the fraction will be x upon y. Okay, don't look at this. Don't look at this.
I did not understand what you said.
Don't look at this. A fraction will have a numerator and a denominator, correct? So we are just talking about these numbers. We are not talking about a fraction for now. We are just talking about these numbers, what these numbers are. For example, 2 upon 4. So we are talking about 2 and 4, not the fraction 2 by 4.
Oh,
Got it?
okay.
We are just talking
Okay.
about the number.
I was thinking it would be x upon y, so it would be something x upon something y.
No. We are just talking about the numbers and where the numbers is. So 2 is in the numerator, 4 is in the denominator. So same way, x is in the numerator, y is in the denominator. So we have to find a value of x and y, and then finally say that x upon y is our fraction. Understood?
Yes.
So okay. So numerator is x, denominator is y. They have said that the denominator is 4 more than twice its numerator. Have you understood this equation? How we got y is equal to 4 plus 2x? Yes or no? Okay. Now we'll just rearrange this properly. So you take this plus y this side and take plus 4 on the other side. So we're just rearranging it. So this will become 2x. So plus y went on the other side, became minus y. And this plus 4 you took this side, it will become minus 4. So this is your equation as per your first condition. Did you understand this rearranging?
Yes.
So 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now, according to the second condition, so now read the second condition carefully. It says denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Okay, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. That means from the numerator you subtract 6 and from the denominator you subtract 6. When you do that subtraction, the denominator will become 12 times the numerator. Did you understand this? So your fraction is x upon y, look at it in this way. Your numerator is x, your denominator is y. You are reducing 6 from the denominator and the numerator. So x minus 6 and y minus 6. Is this clear? Okay. Now when 6 is reduced, now this is denominator, this is numerator. Okay. So when 6 is reduced, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. That means y minus 6, that is a denominator, becomes 12 times the numerator, that is x minus 6. Did you understand this? No?
No.
This is the denominator, this is a numerator. Yes or no?
Yes. So then how did you get 12?
Read the question. Doesn't it says 12 times the numerator?
Okay.
Read the
Okay,
question.
yeah.
You're
So
not
then,
reading the question, huh?
Yes, but then won't x minus 6 be on top of y minus 6?
What is the denominator?
Y minus 6.
And the numerator?
X minus 6.
So what the condition says, denominator becomes, that is d becomes 12 times the numerator. This is clear?
Okay. Becomes. Becomes.
So what is d? D is 1, denominator is 1 minus 6 and numerator is x minus 6. So this is the equation. So did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is, you have to rearrange this. Multiply the 12 inside here. So y minus 6 is equal to
12x minus 72.
12x
Oh,
minus...
sorry. 72, no?
Yeah.
6, yeah.
Now, take this minus 72 on the other side and just rearranging and plus y on the other side. So minus 72 will become plus. So 72 minus 6 is equal to 12x minus y. Okay. And this would become 12x minus y is equal to 72 minus 6 would be 60.
What?
72 minus 6. 66.
Oh, 65?
66.
Oh, sorry, 66, yes.
So your equation is 12x minus y is equal to 66. So this is your second equation here. So first equation here, second equation here. Is this clear? Both the equations?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to, once you have got the equation, the next step is just solving them simultaneously or using Cramer's rule. But in this case, solving simultaneously will be easier. So you'll subtract both the equations. So this is...
Yes, because then y will become plus y.
Yeah. So 2x minus y is equal to minus 4 and 12x minus y is equal to 66. So you subtract, change the sign throughout, minus plus minus, minus y plus y cancelled, 2 minus 12. How much would this be?
10x?
Minus 10x, sign of the greater number. And minus 4 minus 66. Minus minus plus.
70.
And sign?
Minus.
Yes. Now you cancel minus from both the side. So x is equal to 70 upon 10. And how much is 70 divided by 10? Yes?
7.
7, correct. So you got x as 7. Now substitute x anywhere. I think in the first equation it will be easier. So substitute it in the first equation. So 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. So 2 into 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. So this will become 14 minus y equal to minus 4. Take minus 14 on the other side. Sorry, plus 14 on the other side. It became minus 14. And you will get minus y is equal to minus 18. Okay, 4 plus 14, 18. And sign of the greater number, so negative. Now both the side there is minus sign, which you can cancel it off. So y is equal to 18. So what is the numerator? Numerator is 7. Denominator is 18. So the final answer you write, the fraction is
18.
7 upon 18. Clear?
Yes.
Fraction x upon y, correct? This was a fraction, x upon y. X numerator, y denominator. So our fraction is 7 upon 18. Now, did you understand the entire sum right from the start to end?
Yes.
Now write it down. Understand all the steps and write. Let me know when you are done.
Just one question I had, not related to this. Actually, our school is doing like an assignment, so I was doing that assignment, not about an assignment, but just one question. How much is 10 minus 23 plus 1 divided by 12? Because I
10,
am getting it as
10 minus 23
23 plus
plus
1
1.
divided by 12. I'm getting
Is
it
is it whole
as
thing?
1.
Is it whole thing divided by 12 like this, or 1 upon
No,
12?
divided by
What
12.
what divide? 1
10
divided.
minus 23 upon 1 and division sign and then 12.
1 second. I think I've written it
Now
wrong.
I am getting the answer as 1.91.
Wait, I did not understand the expression first properly. Just tell me. I'll write the expression. Just tell me if it is correct or not. Okay. 10 minus 23 divided by 1. Is it like this? No, I can't hear you. Unmute.
1 second, 1 second. 10 minus 23. 1 second.
Have I written?
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Can you see this? What I've written or can you not see?
Yes.
Okay, can
10
you
minus
can, right?
23 plus 1 upon 12.
Upon nahi hai. I don't find the division sign actually.
This
Did
that
not
you have
find
written.
it.
You have written it like this. Wait, and just tell me whether you have written
No.
it.
I've written it wrong because I did not find the this.
10 minus. So if you tell me the expression properly, then I'll able to get the answer.
Okay, 10 minus 23 plus 1. Division sign.
Like this.
Yes, division sign and 12.
So 10
Yeah, so
is
now
it
I am getting the answer as 1.91.
1.91. Okay. This expression is correct, right? Exactly this expression is given.
Yes, exactly the same.
Okay. So what you do is now first do the division.
No, I did not do it like that.
Then how did you do?
23 plus 1 equals to 24. 24 minus 10, 14, and then 14 divided by 12.
No, here you went wrong. Do you know the board mass rule? Do you know this rule?
Yeah. Yeah,
So
I know the rule.
So what this rule says, first D comes. That means first you have to do the division. So first you divide 1 by 12. So as per that, this would become 0.0833 something. So we take up to 3 decimal places. Okay, and then you can do this. Do the...
Instead, we can do the addition, right, first, and then the division.
You can do the addition, but what mistake may happen is 23 has a negative sign with it. 10 has a positive sign with it. This number has a positive sign. So you cannot directly add a 23 with this because of this negative sign here. So what you do is first you do this subtraction. 10 minus 23, do that. So that would become minus 13.
Minus 13.
Minus 13 plus 0.083. And now you do the subtraction. So from 13, you have to subtract 0.083. So that would give you
minus 12.916.
Or else if the answer is needed in fractions, that also can be done.
Like,
Have they provided you with the answer? No? Okay.
it's just an assignment. It's like general maths.
Okay, okay. Okay, so if you
Instead,
want...
can't we take 10 minus 23 plus 1 upon 12, like the whole thing upon 12?
Now that depends on how the question is. It depends. You cannot, you're saying this way, 10 minus 23 plus 1 whole thing upon 12. Are you saying this?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Now that depends on the questions. How the question is. If the question is like
So
this
what would be
only,
the answer if what I am saying it is like 10 minus 23 plus 1 upon 12?
then you directly do, this would be minus 13, minus 1.
How?
How much is 10 minus 23? Just look at the numerator. We'll keep denominator as it is. So this would become minus
10 minus
30
23, yeah,
plus 1.
plus 1.
So
So
how much
minus
is...
this.
So this would become minus 12 upon 12, which is minus 1. If it would
Okay,
be
then
like
that
this, huh?
might be the answer.
No,
No,
I
because
don't
I
think so,
don't think it will be.
because this thing matters. Where this dash is not, that matters. Is it
No,
whole thing or is it just for 1?
I think it's the whole thing because they would not give minus 12.917 as an
Then
answer.
if it is whole thing, then it is. How is the question? But how they have given you the question? Is it written or PDF?
No. We've not been given it as a PDF. We were being told to write it at the ending of the ending, like the
Class.
last lecture. Yeah.
Okay. Because if it is like this, then minus 1 won't be the answer. If it is like this, then yes, minus
I
1 is the
think
answer.
that is how it is because this is easy. They wouldn't give us to do minus 13 plus
Decimal by, yeah.
0.083. They wouldn't give us all of that. So I'll
Yes.
just write this down.
Yeah.
Yes, done. I have to write the sum also. To write the earlier sum.
Can you see it now?
Yes. Yes, I can see it. I'll just write it down. What have you done after x equals to 7?
Substituted the value of x is equal to 7 in equation 1.
So
That
that
is,
2x minus y equals to minus 4, that para, right?
yes, correct.
1 second.
This one.
The one which you've written here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just write that, x substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 1.
Yes, done.
We will do the 5th one. Okay, so now question 5 says, two types of boxes, A and B, are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Okay, so they are saying that there are two types of boxes, box A and B. And these two boxes have to be placed in a truck, and that truck has capacity of 10 tons. So a total weight of 10 ton it can carry. Now, when 150 boxes of A and 100 boxes of B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. Okay, so when you put 150 boxes of A and when you put 100 boxes of B, then the total weight of the truck becomes 10 ton. But when 260 boxes of A and are loaded in the truck, it can accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it is fully loaded. So you have to find now the weight of each type of box. Have you understood the question?
No.
So suppose this is a truck.
Why do they complicate it so much?
Suppose this is a truck and you have two types of boxes. So I'll call this A and this is B. Now, this truck has a total capacity of 10 ton, that it can take weight of total 10 tons only. Okay. Now, they are saying that from A, if you put 150 boxes, and from B, if you put 100 boxes, then this is met. This capacity of the truck is met. It becomes fully loaded with 10 ton. Is this clear?
How much is 150 plus 100?
250. So
Okay, so
total 250 boxes are there. But 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B. Okay, so they will be of different weights. Type A boxes will be of different
that
weight.
is 250, correct? And then 260 plus 40 is 300. So how is 250 equal to 300?
How did you get 300? 260.
250.
Acha, 260 plus 40.
260 plus 40. That is 300. And 150 plus 100 is 250. So how is 250 equal to 300?
No, it is not equal. Not equal. We are talking about the weight, not the number of boxes. Weight. Weight of those boxes.
Okay, so then how will you... Okay.
Okay, we are talking about the weight of the boxes. So when 150 boxes of A and 100 boxes of B are put in this truck, then the weight reaches to 10 ton. And the second condition may be say, when you put 260 boxes of A, then 40 boxes, there is space for 40 boxes of B such that the truck is fully loaded. That means 260 and 40 will 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B. If you load it in this truck, then the truck will reach its maximum weight capacity of 10 ton. So you have to find now separately what is the weight of type A box and what is the weight of type B box.
And then just compare it.
Yes. Now did you understand the question?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start with solution. So we'll say let the weight of type A box be x kg and let the weight of type B box be y kg. So weight of A is x, weight of B is y. Now, one very important point to remember, 1 ton is 1000 kgs. Okay, so if 1 ton is 1000 kgs, 10 ton would be how many kgs?
10 upon 1000.
10 upon 1000? One chocolate is for 2 rupees. 10 chocolate is for how much rupees?
What?
If 1 chocolate is for 2 rupees, then 10 chocolates, how much rupees?
2 into 10, 20.
So what are you doing? You're multiplying. Same thing. 1 ton, 1000 kg. 10 ton, how much?
1000 divided by 10.
No. Why are you dividing? I'll come to this example again. 1 chocolate, 2 rupees. Then 10 chocolates, how much rupees?
2 into 10.
Yes, you're multiplying. 2 into 10, multiplying. That is 20.
So you will multiply 1000 into 10?
Yes. Same thing, same
Wouldn't
logic.
it be...
Yeah, correct. Same logic. 1 ton, 1000 kgs. 10 ton.
Sorry.
How much
I
kg?
thought you were asking me that 10 kg is equal to how many tons?
No. So 10 ton
That
would
is why I
be...
was thinking that it would be less than 1000. That is why I was doing division.
So in this case, what it would be? 1000 into 10. That is 10,000.
10,000.
10,000. So 10 kgs, sorry, 10 ton is equal to 10,000 kgs. Okay, so 1 ton, 1000 kgs. So 10 ton, 10,000 kgs. I hope this is clear now. Okay.
Yes.
Now, according to the first condition, so what the first condition says that 150 boxes of A and 100 boxes of B are loaded in the truck, then it weighs 10 ton. So this is a truck. From A, you put 150 boxes, type 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B. So you're saying X is the weight of box A, Y is the weight of box B. What would be the total weight according to the first condition?
$150 X plus
100 y is equal to now
10
this
ton.
capacity 10 ton, but in kgs you say it now.
So 10,000.
10,000. So this is your first equation. 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. Understood this first condition?
Yes. So much to do. Do you think I'll forget this?
No, you will not. If you understand, no, you will not. Now, in the second case, it is said 260 of A and 40 of B. Then it will reach its maximum capacity, weight capacity. So how will the second
260x plus 40y equals to 10,000.
correct. 40y is equal to 10,000. So this is the second equation. 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000. Okay, now this first equation, no, this is just reduced. So you are divided throughout by 50. If you divide throughout by 50, so first one, see, it was 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. And if you divide by 50 throughout,
Why 50?
50 is the LCM of
Oh, okay. Okay,
150,
least
100
common
and
multiple.
yes, 150, 100 and 10,000. That's why you're dividing it by
Okay,
50.
yes, yes.
So 0, 0, this 3, 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 0, 0, 5 2s are 10.
What happened? 250.
250.
You just
No,
have to add the 0,
200,
no?
200, 200, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Uh,
oh, okay, yeah, understood. Yeah, understood.
okay, so that is this equation. And then the next equation, you're dividing it throughout by 20. So you had 260.
You can do like this. You can divide that by any number and this by any number. 20.
No.
You're dividing one with 20. You're dividing one with 50.
No. In this case, the LCM of 150, 100 and 10,000 was 50. And in this case, the LCM of 260, 40 and 10,000 is 20. That is why you're dividing it
Is
by
there
20.
any multiple which is the LCM of both the
Both the
equations?
equations, no, but it will, there is, I think it would be 10 of both the equations.
20
But
also could be.
yeah, but it will be better if you do it separately.
No, 20 would not because 150 you can't.
Yeah. But you do it
But
separately
then it
of
would
both
be
the
very
equations.
complicated. Yeah, this
Yes,
is
yes.
fine.
So 260 plus 40 plus equal to 10,000. So if you divide throughout by 20, so this would give you 13. 26 divided by 2, 13. 0, 0 cancels, will be 2. And this would be 2 5s are 10, 500. So that was your second equation. 13x plus 2y is equal to 500.
Not 500, 5,000, right?
0
These
got
zeros
cancelled.
you'll add.
1 0 got
Okay, 0
cancelled.
got cancelled. Oh, sorry.
So 500. So are these two equations clear now after reducing?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next thing is just solving it simultaneously. So if you see, first equation
Shall I do
is,
that?
yeah, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. And second equation is 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Okay. Can you tell me what you will do?
First add and then minus.
Why? Add and minus. They are not
Oh,
same.
sorry. It's 13. Oh, sorry. First, I'll do subtraction.
Subtract, correct. Go ahead and do it.
I should write all of this down and then do the simul, right?
Yes.
300 divided by 10, is it good if I don't remove the zeros?
300 divided by 10.
Yeah.
30, right?
Instead of doing 0, 0 cancel and keeping it as 30, it will be the same. Sorry. So x equals to 30. I got the answer, so I should put it in any of the one.
Yes.
Oh, 20 divided by 9 is?
20 divided by 9. You did a mistake here. You're taking plus 90 on the other side. So what will happen?
Minus 90.
You have
100
90.
minus 90.
Yes. You have 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. So 2y would be equal to 200 minus 90. That is 110. So y would be 110 divided by 2.
Five 5.5.
5.5? 110 divided by 2 is not 5.5.
55, sorry.
Yes, correct. 55. So your x
equals
is
to 30 and y equals to 55.
correct. X is equal to 30 and y is equal to 55. So what is x? X is a weight of the type A box and y is the weight of the type B box. So final answer you write the weight
So can you
of
write x equals to 30 and y equals to 55 instead of writing?
instead of
So
okay.
writing this, the weights of box type A.
Yes, understood. Yes. But just make a final answer one sentence. The weight of box of type A is 30 kg and the box of type B is 55 kg. Okay, so sixth one. Sixth one is very lengthy, so I'll require at least 15 minutes for explanation. So we'll stop here.
Yeah, I have time till 6:30.
No, but I have another class, so that's fine.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so sixth one, it is okay. We can skip also because such type of difficult sum won't come for the exam because it's very lengthy. Very lengthy. I can show you the solution. This is just one part. So still, so for explanation, I'll require at least 15 minutes. So what I'll do is we'll stop here.
How many pages was that?
2. 2 and no, I'm sorry, 3.
Okay.
3.
No. That one is type of boxes. It starts from here, right? So 2. No problem. If you want to do it, I don't mind.
Yeah, because and here we need little bit concept of physics also, of science. Little bit of we'll be using the formula for speed.
Distance upon speed.
Yeah. So speed is equal to distance upon time, or time is equal to distance upon speed, one and the same. So we'll have to use that concept, and we'll do this. We'll definitely do this in our next class. We'll do.
So
and
you
then
are going to teach this or not?
You want to do it? I'll do it. Oh.
Let's not.
Okay, we'll skip this then. Then we'll be left with.
Are you sure it's not going to come? If it's not going to come, then let's not do it at all.
No, such type of doesn't come.
Yeah, then let's not do it.
Such type doesn't. So what we'll do is then we'll be left with problem set sums.
1 second. I can do it, but I'll have to take some time for doing it.
Problem set, okay.
Yeah.
How many you finished? I did not see actually. I will check your.
I have done I've done from exercise 1 to exercise 6, question 2. Stop.
6.
Hear something? You can hear some music.
No.
Exercise 6.
So these all you sent me in the photos? No, I don't think so. Have you sent me all the solutions?
Second, I did. I think one second. I've done till third one. Fourth and fifth I could not. And also one more thing I wanted to tell you.
Till third one, that means
the following simultaneous.
This one. Third means this one.
Exercise 5 till 3.
Exercise 5. This grammar's rule.
Yes.
And what about these then? These are done, graphical?
No, graph are not done.
Okay.
Only that exercise is left. Rest
this up to 3 you did, you said. Okay.
And 1 and 2 of 6.
1 and 2 of 6. That is these two. Okay. If you check your answers.
Both of them right.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the Cramer's rule that you did?
Cramer's rule I did not check, but I think first and second I got right, and the third one is a fraction, so I messed up in that.
Okay, so check your first and second one and try the third one and check your answer. If you're not getting it, then you tell me. Okay. So.
And graph questions also, right?
Yes, graph also.
Then I'll take some time to do all of these together.
Yeah. You can take your time.
Should I show you it on Friday? Is it fine instead of Thursday?
Friday.
Next class is on Thursday. Instead of Thursday, can I show you on Friday?
Okay, will do. But Friday, I hope you remember we have kept a test.
Yeah. So now what do I do?
You do how much
Should
ever you can. How much ever you can, you do.
Okay, so if
And
I
you keep
completed.
sending me on WhatsApp. So I'll check it right away then. Okay.
Okay.
We'll
Yeah,
stop here then. Yeah.